Hey guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my Monster Content Creation review. So, Monster Content Creation is basically a software that creates articles for you. So, even you can turn the any video or an already written content into a new content, and you can sell it in Fiverr or Upwork or any affiliate platform. So before going into the topic, so I'm going to give you some bonuses. These are the custom made bonuses especially made for you. The bonus number one is have to write fast content. For 8 content writing tips to better quicker content creation. So I've got 8 great content writing tips for you how to write an article quickly and keep your audience coming back for more. Then bonus 2 is how to write a blog post from start to finish. So this gives you a formula that helps you generate at least 37,000 visitors per blog post. So it's the best blogging formula out there. I'm going to share with you the formula for perfect blog post. So you'll learn everything for writing a blog from start to finish. Then the bonus 3 is you're going to get the tips for content creation. This has 9 tips for content creation and principle can easily be used to grow your audience or any social media app. So the bonus 4 is content creation strategies. So there you'll learn how to create content online so that you can attract more people to you and build a brand that will make you money. So bonus 5 is you're going to get content marketing full course. So you'll learn everything about the content marketing. So content marketing basics and later in depth a few important strategies for content marketing that every marketer should know. Content marketing and SEO. How to rank number one on Google and YouTube beginners guide to content marketing. So the bonus number 6 is you're going to get article analyzer. Article analyzer is a cool little tool to help you analyze article for keyword density. So you can either open an existing article or copy or paste the article into an article analyzer interface. So don't forget to this is the bonus page link I have given in the description box below. So if you want to purchase the bonus, just click on the product, just click on this orange button so that you can purchase the product along with the sale my bonuses. This is how the sales page looks like. If you click on this orange button, this the sales page opens up, so you can purchase the product from this page. So all of the above bonuses will be instantly available inside of your account, 100% free if you purchase from my bonus, my link. So I'm going to a little for a topic. So if you don't want to write content yourself and don't want to spend enormous amount of money hiring content writers, then this software is exactly for you. So finally cracked launch your fully fledged 100% unique online business with this simple yet powerful software. So this works in 3 steps. So step 1 is fire up this bad boy. Just install this, purchase this and install it. Then step 2 is press the button. Then step 3 is sell 100% unique, original, unlimited readable content. So with this, you are going to get powerful and intelligent software that will rewrite any piece of content, and this will be human readable and make sense content. So turn any video into content. That's right. With Monster Content Creator, your push of a button away from transcribing any video into article. So this will turn your video also into a content. So with just click of your mouse, you'll have 100% unique content that search engines will love. This means better ranking also. So they'll give you 100% unique content also that will rank you better on the YouTube, that people are searching more and more. So it has 100% copies capped fast. So Monster Content Creator creates content that is unique for search engine and will pass the copies cap test. So this is also will get you a copyright test, and easy to use software. This is effective software, so easy to use that even newbies can use it without getting lost. So this is recommended for beginners also. So it's multiple streams of content, from turning videos into article to automatically curating and rewriting the content to make any article you insert in its unique. Monster Content Creator takes care of all your content generation needs. So just click on this orange button so that you can purchase the product along with my bonuses. So what are the things you're going to get this in this product is fully fledged content curator, then push button 100% unique articles, transform any video into an amazing article, then automatic video curator and poster plus a ton of other features included with your investment today. So the value of this is at least $1,189. So this is the value of this is $1,089, but you're going to get this for $16 only. The to $16.93 only. Don't forget, $16.93 only. So they are giving you for a cheap price, affordable price. So if you want to click on purchase the product, don't forget to purchase from my link. That click on this orange button, that will take you to the sales page. So they have two OTOs. The first OTO is the rights to sell the articles. That the right with Monster Content Creator Pro, you'll get developer rights and you can sell the articles the software generates on marketplace such as Fiverr and Crush the competition. You can sell the articles and Fiverr, Upwork, on any freelancing software platforms. Then you have published unlimited sites, either because you have multiple websites or you want to offer the automated curation publishing system on unlimited sites. Monster Content Creator Pro allows you to post content to unlimited sites also. So drip feed and schedule articles. That's right. With Monster Content Creator Pro, you'll never again have the worry about publishing content to your site. Just select how many articles a day you want posted and let the software do the job for you by drip leading and scheduling it every single day. So it's a hand paralyzed price. The total value of this is 2,940, but they are going to give you for $26.93. So you'll get developer license, self-generated articles. The value of this is $1,670. Then published to unlimited size. The value of this is $535. Then drip feed and schedule post, that value is $735. So the total value is $2,940, but you're going to get this for $26.93. So what you do is resellers license. As with Monster Content Creator white label, you can now sell Monster Content Creator to online or offline clients and keep 100% of the profit. Then rebrand the software. If you want to put your name and logo on a version of Monster Content Creator and rebrand it as your own, now you can. The white label unlocks a special features which you can use it to rename the software to whether you like zero coding required. So the total value of this is $4,940, but they are going to give you this for only $36.93. That too for an affordable price. This is included with seamless software rebranding. The value of this is $1,970. Then reseller license to Monster Content Creator. The value of this $2,970 value. The total value of this is $4,940. So that you're going to get this in $36.93. So with this, which is really an affordable price, just click on this orange button so that you can get my bonuses along with the product. So this is basically a content creator that creates content for you, unique content without any hard work. So don't forget to purchase from my link. I have given the bonus page link in the description box below. Don't forget to log on that. so that you can get all of my bonuses along with the vendor bonuses if they have any. So subscribe for more videos. See you in the next. Thank you.